Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study Economics Class 12 in one day. First, let's outline a strategic approach to cover the essential material efficiently. Begin by identifying the most frequently tested topics and allocating about 60% of your study time to them. This ensures you grasp the foundational concepts that carry the most weight. Remember, smart studying is about focusing your energy where it matters most for quick retention. Now, let's dive into microeconomics. Concentrate on understanding the basics of demand and supply, including factors that cause shifts. Spend time on market structures, especially perfect competition and monopoly, noting their key characteristics. Don't forget to practice numerical problems related to elasticity and consumer equilibrium. These often appear in exams and require precise application of formulas. Moving on to macroeconomics, focus on national income accounting, including GDP and GNP, and the different methods of calculation. Ensure you understand the functions of money, central banks, and commercial banks. Also, dedicate time to the government budget, its components, and the basics of foreign exchange rates. These are crucial areas that form the backbone of macroeconomic understanding. Finally, for effective revision, solve at least 2 or 3 previous year's question papers to understand the exam pattern and common question types. Create concise, one-page notes for each major topic. These will be invaluable for a quick review before your exam. Regularly test yourself with practice questions to solidify your understanding and identify any remaining weak areas. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.